What's up, guys? Welcome back. So it's Monday. I was coming out to the barn. I got the lawnmower to fix, and I was coming up with a plan of attack to start working on the Indy Fiero. And I get out in the shop, which is pretty secure. There's no holes or anything like that. And I find this. Neighbor's cat was locked in my barn for over 24 hours. Walked all over the cars, got all over inside the cars. So figured I would take this opportunity. Let's see, there's paw prints, to clean these two and make a video. I haven't had many ideas or much time lately, so I want to get back in the swing of things and get going on the Indy Fiero. So yeah, figured I would take a video of washing the cars. If that's exciting, cool. Probably won't be, but something to do. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, they cleaned up good. No scratches or anything like that. Nice clean on the inside. So yeah, I think everything's gonna be alright. Just kind of worried about cat pee or whatever on the inside, but I think it's alright. So yeah, there you go, both cars cleaned up. So now, come up with a plan for this car. I want to start working on it, get it all fixed up. I think that's going to be our winter project this year. You know, last year I did the 3800 swap. This year I want to get this car apart, fix the rust, get it painted, redo the suspension, redo the brakes, put the engine that's over here out of the wide body in it. So yeah, we need to get started on this project. As you can see, somebody was walking up the windshield on it here too, but don't care a whole lot about the paint on this car because it's not good. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. So go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe, because we are going to get going on this car, and I will see you guys in the next one.